See it crossed. More than one? He's getting really closer. I want you to shoot him. Unless you can't, you got to tell me I can't get him, and then I'll try to take care of it. It's all on you. You just shoot when you're comfortable and don't worry about me. come up to your left. He may come up to your left.
I already saw him to my right.
What's that?
I already saw him to my right.
Okay. I can't hear you. Go ahead. Okay, he's still kind of right below that dead tree, 2 dead trees in front of you.
There he is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
He just stands out. He's behind the tree.
Hmm?
He left.
What in the world? What in the world? What you just saw there is we called a bird in and he just popped out. It was the first morning of the season. I had Chrissy right to my right. The camera was sitting probably that much higher than the top of her head. And that bird just popped right up. He saw something he didn't like, clucked and walked off. But we kept hearing 2 birds on out 500-600 yards, so we closed the distance. And they were closing the distance on us because they heard us calling and that other bird gobbling, so they were coming to that. And I sent Chrissy ahead, and she got up under an autumn olive bush and got those birds to gobble one more time, and they were right on top of her. And that's what you're about ready to see here. Yes! Awesome! Yeah. Awesome.
They didn't see me at all.
Yeah. Right here.
Yep.
One, two. Steps. 35 steps with a 410. That was with 8. Stevens 301, 410, 8. Well, this morning's just been something different for turkey hunting the first morning in West Virginia. We had to get JC on the bus, so we don't get out here till 7:45, 8 o'clock. And this is a place, a neighboring farm, we saw a good flock of gobblers on during duck season. We had permission to duck and goose hunt this. We didn't get permission to turkey hunt until last weekend. They said, come on out. So we just decided, hey, let's go in here. We saw all these gobblers. There had to be some in here this spring. We haven't got to come over here and scout. First setup, we call one in. I don't know what happened. He fanned on you, showed his head, clucked, and took off. And I don't know how much of it I got on camera. We had heard a couple other gobblers. We circled around to them, and then we heard these two get fired up. So we made a move on those. I stopped at a fence, and you got up on a bush and pretty much met them on this road between strip lines. This is old reclaimed strip lines. There's one over there, there's one here, and a road that connects them. And those birds were hustling, and all I can think of is they were 2-year-olds, real pretty birds. They must have heard the calling over on this point, and they were coming from a country mile to get to where we were, and we just met them in the middle. And that's just hunting. This isn't, we don't hunt for the camera, we just hunt. And carry a camera along. But you did a good job. Proud of you. At 301.